he's doing shady stuff, do not finish. You have to report it, because what's going to happen is you will never get it. You'll end up losing it anyways if you ever get caught. And if somebody else reports it behind you, they're going to lose their license. So something to keep in mind of that stuff. Make sure when you talk to DME, he's legit, he has fair, ask him questions. You can ask him pretty much anything short of the actual, hey, what's the answer to this? And don't bribe. It's actually a felony from what I discovered. So don't do that. So what happens if the DME is that type of person? You would have to retest, but it'll be a brief one. It's not going to be the whole thing again. There'll be another test for you. So again, if you go with a shady DME, the chances of him getting caught, it's going to be highly likely. Whether it's a student reporting him, the FAA reported, kind of like being weird about it, like, this is kind of funny behavior. They'll do investigation. They'll, go over the previous testers, and then everybody that he's tested in X amount of time will lose their license until they retest. And it's a short version of it, but that's what happens with stuff like that. So